The next special tab we are going to look at is the Table tab. When you insert a table, you will get two tabs, a Design tab and a Format tab. Let's start with the Design tab, where there are 4 sections. They are Style Options, Table Styles, Borders, and Publish. The Style Options section has 2 checkboxes. Selecting the Header Row checkbox establishes a header across the top of the table. The Banded Rows checkbox will alternate colors in each row below the header row. The Table Style section will have 9 pre-built color schemes. These schemes are based on the colors in your design theme, and there's 6 different styles per color scheme. When you insert a table, Storyline will create a basic theme based on your primary default color. You can then select a different style from the drop-down menu. If you don't like any of the color scheme options, you can use the Fill Color drop-down to the right of the pre-built color schemes and add the color you want to the table by using the Color Selector pop-up window. The Borders section is where you will adjust the style and thickness of the cells and tables' borders. You also have a Border Color drop-down menu. This will open the Color Selector pop-up window and apply that color to the border for the cell, or cells, that you've selected. Once you've determined the border's style, color, and thickness, you will use the Borders drop-down menu to apply the style, thickness, and color. Again, the Publish section is at the far right of the ribbon.